Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vellum formatting. First, understand that Vellum is a powerful tool designed to simplify the process of creating professional-looking books, both for print and as ebooks. You'll begin by importing your manuscript, typically in a standard document format like a Word file. Vellum then automatically detects chapters and common elements, setting the stage for your design choices. It's all about making book production accessible and efficient. Once your manuscript is imported, Vellum allows you to customize your book's appearance with ease. You can select from a wide array of pre-designed styles for headings, paragraphs, and other text elements, ensuring a cohesive and polished look. Adjusting font sizes and line spacing is straightforward, giving you precise control over readability. You can also enhance your book with decorative elements such as ornamental breaks to add visual appeal. After perfecting your book's design, Vellum makes generating your final files incredibly simple. It creates both print-ready and ebook files from a single source, saving you significant time and effort. For ebooks, you can export in popular formats like EPUB and MOBI, compatible with most e-readers and platforms. When preparing for print, Vellum generates a high-quality PDF specifically formatted for your book's interior, ready for your chosen printer. To truly master Vellum, always utilize its robust preview function to catch any formatting issues before export, ensuring your book looks perfect on every device. Maintaining consistent formatting throughout your entire manuscript is crucial for a professional presentation, so double-check all your styles. And speaking of efficiency, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help streamline your life. Remember, a well-formatted book enhances the reader's experience significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.